Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain what is absolute coordinate and how we can plot an object, and what is relative coordinates and polar coordinates. At the end of the tutorial, we solve this example which includes all systems: absolute coordinates, relative coordinates, and polar coordinates. Now let's get started. Just from here, search for AutoCAD 2009. AutoCAD. Okay. We talk about Cartesian coordinates. We have Cartesian coordinate. It's a 2D coordinate. Y is positive here in this direction, and X in this direction is positive. The intersection is called start point. Y in this direction is negative, and X in this direction is negative. Now we talk about absolute coordinate. Absolute coordinate, whenever you put a point, it starts the point regarding the intersection point. For example, if I draw a line here, line specify first point. For example, I add 1, 1, enter. Directly, it starts. It creates first point, 1 unit in X direction and 1 unit in Y direction. It starts regarding this intersection. Now, if I add another point, next point, for example, 2, 1, it comes to here. 2. X 2 unit far from intersection point. Y again in the same direction, in the same location, 1 unit far from intersection. Next point, 2, 2, enter. This point, 2 unit far from intersection in X direction, also 2 unit far from intersection in Y direction. This time 1, 2, enter. Then insert C and enter. Directly it closes the object. That is a absolute coordinate system. Now we have another system, call it relative coordinate system. It is different from absolute coordinate system. Let's start to learn what is the relative coordinate system. Now I just Control Z. For relative coordinate system, just activate line, select the pick point anywhere, for example here. For next point, you have to add symbol add, then X let be 1, Y equal to 0. It means 1 unit far from this point, pick point, and Y it must be in the same level because we inserted 0. Just enter. Good. You see, the Y in the same level and X 1 unit far from this point. This time it has no relation with the intersection. Okay, for next point, just add simple add 0, 1. It means X must be in the same level, no movement to this direction, the same location, only Y, we have 1 unit Y. Enter. You see, this time I want to go to another point. This point again add minus 1x because I go to this direction, so it's minus 1, Y in the same level, so I insert 0. Just enter. That's the relative coordinate system. It draws regarding the preceding point. Enter C and enter. Directly it closes the object. Now you have learned to draw in relative coordinate system and absolute coordinate system. Control Z. We have another system, call it polar coordinate system. Again, activate line, select a pick point here. Okay, insert add again, distance 1, this time angle. Smaller symbol, angle must be 0. So it means 1 unit goes to the side in angle 0. Just enter. You see, 1 unit length It doesn't have any relation with the x and y, just length. For next point, for example, at 1 in angle 90, it comes to this direction. If I add 90, just enter. Okay. Another point at 1 unit angle 180. It means that is the 0. Come to here 19. Come to here, it become 180. Just enter. Okay. Now enter C and enter. It closes the object. That is a polar coordinate system. Now let us solve an example. We have this example includes all systems. All systems. Let's solve. Line, activate line. First point is in absolute coordinate system 10, 15. Yes, this point. Next point is 50. It is relative coordinate system, so I have to add at. You have to know by yourself. 5, 0. Good. Next point again, relative coordinate at 0, 2. Enter. For next point, we have 2.5 in minus x direction. So AutoCAD, shift at negative 2.5, 0. Good. Next point, that's all 3. All it's 3. This one all 4.5. So 4.5 minus 3, it will be 1.5 goes upward. So come to here again, shift at 0, 1.5. Enter. Good. Again, you see 1 unit goes to the side and 1 unit in x direction, negative x direction. If I draw it from here, go 1 unit, shift it at 0, 1. Okay. In this side, shift it at negative 1, 0. Enter. Now active object snap. If I come to here, this location, you see this location, insert, enter. Now here I have delete this one, and enter. Good. Now again bring the line, put it here. Okay. For next location, come to here. Here we have 5 and here we have 2.5 plus 1, 3.5. So it is 1.5. Shift it at minus 1.5, 0. Then you can come to here and close. Enter. That's all for today. See you in next lecture. Have a nice time.